Hello guys, how are you today? Today we're going to work in the Smarty book. So please open your Smarty book on page number 66. Open your Smarty book on page number 66. What are we going to do here? Just listen to the track. Okay, just listen and try to read. Just listen.
Track 33. Listen and chant. What time is it?
What time is it? Look at the sun. It's 1:30. It's late. Run! We catch the bus at 1:30.
Okay, remember that this unit number 5, we saw this question. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, it's 1:30. It's 1:30. La 1:30. What time is it? It's 1:30. Remember that, okay? Now, what are we going to do here? Please, we're going to read and match, okay? We're going to read and we're going to match the two parts of these sentences to make one sentence, okay? Number 1, okay? For example, we like tea. We like tea, right? We like tea. Number 2, I go to bed. I go to bed. I go to bed for school, have lunch, or at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. Yes, I go to bed at 8 o'clock. I'm sorry. Number 3, let's have lunch. Let's have lunch, right? Let's have lunch. And number 4, it's time for school. It's time for school, okay? Now we're going to page number 69. We're going to answer page number 69, okay? Let's go there. Don't worry about the page number 67. This page, we're going to answer this page the next week, okay? Don't worry about that. Let's go to this page. Look at those clocks, okay? Look at this, okay? Write and draw. Look at the clocks and you have to draw the hands. Do you remember the long hand and the short hand? Do you remember that? Okay. For example, the letter A, it's 1 o'clock. So this is the long hand and the short one is 1, okay? It's 2 o'clock. So the long hand is on the 12 and the short hand is number 2. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. Now we're going to complete. Let me change my tool. I'm going to take this. We're going to complete this, okay? It's 2 o'clock. Something's missing here. It's 2 o'clock. Don't forget to write that, okay? O'clock. It's 2 o'clock, okay? It's 2 o'clock. And the next one, look. Oh my goodness. We're going to write. The short hand is in number 11 and the long hand is on the number 6. Remember, if we are in the number 6, if the long hand is in number 6, it's 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes, 30 minutos, okay? So it's 11. I'm going to write it down. It's 11. Okay, it's 11:30. Yes, it's 11:30. Okay, remember it's 11:30. When you see the long hand on the number 6, 30 minutes equal to 30 minutes. Okay. The next one, look at the clock. The short hand is on the number 4 and the long hand is on number 12. What time is it? Yes, it's 4 o'clock. Okay, it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Okay, we finished this now. In activity number 4 says, listen and complete the sentences. Listen and complete the sentences. So we have some clocks in here. We're going to listen, okay? First of all, we're going to listen. Just give me a minute to take this. I'm going to put this here and I'm going to, I don't know what happened here. Just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. I don't know what happened. Okay, we're going to listen, okay? First of all, we're going to, okay, first of all, we're going to complete this, okay? For example, okay, we're going to listen.
Track 35. Listen and complete the sentences.
A. I get up at 7:30.
I get up at 7:30, okay? I get up at 7:30. Letter B, listen.
B. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
I have breakfast. This is a word, breakfast. Breakfast, okay? Breakfast. Letter C, listen.
C. I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
I have lunch. I have lunch. This is a word, lunch. Okay?
D. I go to bed at 9:30.
I go to bed. Okay, go to bed. Just give me a minute to do this. Okay? One more time. Go to bed. Okay? Go to bed. We finished to complete the sentences. It's time to complete the clocks with the hands, with the long hand and the short hand. Remember that. Just give me a minute. I'm going to change my tool again. Okay, so much better. Okay, letter A says, I get up at 7:30. Remember, the short hand is on the 7 and the long hand is on the 6. On 6. Why? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, don't forget that. Letter B, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So the short hand is on the 8 and the long hand is on 12, right? The next one. Letter C, I have lunch at 1 o'clock. So the short hand is on the number 1 and the long hand is on number 12, right? The last one, letter D. I go to bed at 9:30. 9:30. So the short hand is on the number 9 and the long hand is on the number 6, right? 9:30. Look at the clocks again. 7:30. 7:30. Okay, maybe I don't know what happened with this. Okay, let me do this again. Okay, let me do this again. Okay, one more time. 7:30. The short hand is on the 7 and the long hand is on 6. So much better. 7:30, 8 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 9:30. Okay? With these activities, we finish the activities of the Smarty book. Don't forget to do the activity online. You're going to find the link on the platform, okay? Don't forget to do the activity online, okay? Guys, see you the next class. Have a nice day.